My name is Dr. Philip Coombs. I'm a medical doctor in Jamaica, and I am about to make a very bold statement. I took an oath as a medical doctor to first do no harm to any of my patients, and I feel like it is my responsibility as a medical doctor and also as a popular social media professional to encourage every single Jamaican to be wise about their decision and about COVID-19. The Prime Minister has called elections on September 3rd. Over the past 24 hours, there has been 46 new cases of coronavirus in Jamaica. We have officially lost control of COVID-19. There is no community spread. We're not able to trace where persons get the infection from. Not just that, having a campaign at this time has disregarded all of the protocols that the government has tried to put into place to protect and to prevent persons from getting COVID-19. Not only is COVID-19 a threat, but the hospitals are now being overwhelmed with more accidents, more trauma, just because of political unrest. Patients come in, gunshots, stab up, bike accidents, car accidents. And what is the reason? Because of general elections. Now, as I said before, I am speaking as a medical doctor. I have never voted before, but I have a responsibility to my Jamaican people to represent patients, to represent my colleagues, and to express to the government that, listen, this might not necessarily be the wisest decision in light of the most recent rise in the numbers of COVID-19. Again, I'm not affiliated with any particular party. I am just looking out for the general population of Jamaica. We're speaking about a virus. We're talking about your life, your well-being. A virus that has the potential to kill people. We are now campaigning in numbers greater than 250, without masks, without social distancing. For what? Is that the best decision for Jamaica right now? So, Dr. Coombs here, humbly suggesting to the government of Jamaica to please reconsider the approach to general elections. Think about the Jamaican people, think about the hospitals, think about us as doctors, the workload. We are sacrificing our well-being every day to protect our country. Think about this. Spread the word.